In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Canva. Sharing a folder keeps your designs, brand assets, and files organized in one place and lets teammates access exactly what they need without sending individual links. It's a simple process, and once you know where to look, you can repeat it in just a few clicks. Start from your main Canva dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Projects. This is where Canva keeps all your designs, uploads, and folders. It's the best starting point for organizing and sharing. To find the folder you want, you have two easy options. Use the search bar at the top. Type the folder's name or a keyword, or adjust the type filter so it shows folders only. That filter narrows the view so you're not scrolling past designs or files. If the folder is recent, you might see it near the top. Otherwise, a quick search usually brings it right up. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct folder before you share. Now, hover your mouse over the folder to reveal the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More or Actions menu. Click those three dots, and from the menu that appears, choose Share. Canva will open a sharing panel or pop-up with a field labeled something like Add People. That's where you'll specify who should get access. In the Add People field, enter the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure you type it carefully to avoid typos. Using their work email helps keep access consistent. Once the email is in, Canva handles the rest and sends the invitation. If your organization has specific access policies, the folder will respect those automatically. Keep in mind, you're sharing the entire folder, so anyone you add can find all the items inside that folder. For a smooth experience, double-check that you're in the right account and workspace, and that you have permission to share that folder. If you don't see the Projects tab or the Share option, you may be in a different area or you might not have the required access. Try clearing the filter if nothing shows up and verify the folder name spelling in the search bar. That's all there is to it. You've moved from the dashboard into Projects, filtered to Folders, opened the Actions menu, hit Share, and added an email. Your folder is now shared, and your collaborators are ready to jump in. If this helped, keep these steps handy the next time you want to organize and share work quickly in Canva.